everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be explaining what a super chat is and where does the super chat money go. Alright, so a super chat happens during live streams, and this is an example of a live stream that we do every Thursday at 6 p.m. PST. It's called the Essetino Weekly Mastermind. And when someone gives you a super chat, it means that someone has donated money to you, and in exchange, they get their message put up on the screen here, and it gets highlighted for everybody to see in the chat. Or they can also give a sticker or an emoji. And in this case, this person right here, they donated $20 because we answer a bunch of questions for creative entrepreneurs on our live streams, and this person had some questions and we were just answering them, and then they felt compelled to donate $20 to us, which was really awesome. So I'm gonna play a little bit of the clip here so that you can see what it looks like.
Spent ever. Oh man, I appreciate it, Dawn.
Awesome.
And we just got another, look at this.
What?
We got a donation.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, man. I
Commander
appreciate it.
30. Wow. They say thank you so much for answering my questions. I appreciate your time. You both are very understanding and encouraging. Thank you so much. We really appreciate that.
So that was a super chat from a viewer that was watching our live stream, and that was so cool that they donated, and it shows up here, and now people wonder, okay, well, what happens to that money? Where does it go? So let's head back to the YouTube dashboard here, and to see all your super chats, you want to head over to the monetization tab and then go to supers. And then from here, you'll see all the super chat donations that you have received. Now, this is where they list them. As for where the actual money goes, that gets lumped in with your Google AdSense earnings. So they're gonna top that up, and the way that we get paid from YouTube is we have a bank account connected to our Google AdSense account, and they just do a direct deposit into our account. So they just put the super chat money and the Google AdSense money together. Now YouTube does take a cut. They take 30% of the total amount that you get. So in this case, with the $20 here, we will get 14 and YouTube will get $6. So if you're live streaming yourself, make sure that you have your super chats enabled. If it's not enabled, you'll see something on here that says that you need to turn them on and activate them, and you usually need to agree to the terms. Alright, so that was it for the super chat video. Have you been implementing this on your live streams? If not, I do highly recommend it. We don't heavily promote it on our live streams. We kind of just let the people do it themselves. We don't say anything like, oh, we would appreciate a donation, although I know that other YouTubers do that as well. We just answer people's questions, give people value, and if they feel the need to donate, then that button is there for them. Alright, so if you are a YouTube creative, head down to the description below as we have a ton of resource links for you guys on how to actually build your YouTube channel as an income stream. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.